Garage door is open because it's a beautiful day. Also, you can see a box on the table. I got some mail from eBay, actually. I ordered from one of the fellows that bought one of these and repacked it really well to ship it. One of these fantastic H75s. He got it, and then when they released the red one, he couldn't resist it. So I was able to pick this up, and I'm really excited. For ease of shipping, he did pull a few pieces off to make sure that they wouldn't get damaged, so we'll have to get the exhaust manifold reinstalled and the intake manifold reinstalled. But I have wanted one of these for a long time, and I was saving up to buy a new one, but instead I get to help out one of the other guys and get one of these a bit sooner.